So guys, back on the Chevette today. I've actually brought some seats this time. The seats in the last episode was just like a mock-up sort of thing. So yeah, I'm going to carry on with reinforcers, get the new seats out. I'll show you the new seats. They're a bit dusty at the minute, but it's fine. And yeah, we'll see what else happens. I'm either going to be doing the boot floors or rear arches today. So yeah, let's get going.
Right, so I'm just going to jump past this first bit because all I'm doing is this reinforcer, and you saw it last week. So there's the next piece. I'll show you when it's in, and then I'll jump onto the backs, whichever one.
Right, so I've not really been making that much progress, but the reinforcer's almost done. I'll show you that when I go back through. Cooking food right now. And then we're going to start on the arches, hopefully after lunch. So yeah, stay tuned.
Right, so that's the reinforcer in place. Just got to weld it in now. It is whatever time that is. Doesn't blur it. 5 past? 10 past? 10 past 1. I've got until about 4. But I'm not very well either, so everything's just sort of like, come on, let's go. So yeah, I'll see what I get done. If not, then that's all I get done. I might clean up my seats or something. If I can't be bothered to do, then I want to get them done now, so see what happens. Right, so that's halfway through welding in the reinforcer. There's a few gaps here and there that are just too big to weld up, so I'm trying to get as much weld in different places. I know it's not the best, but it still looks right. It's still going in just fine. It'll do its job. Right, so reinforcer is fully in there, fully welded in. That was perfect.
I was going to do what you got. I normally do this one in front of the camera. Showgirls.
Yeah, now on to this.
They're the actual seats I'm putting in this car. So to drive.